Hey guys, so for today's video, I want to talk all about bobby pins. I realized I have never done a video on how to use bobby pins and what kind of bobby pins you should be using and avoiding. So that's what today's video is going to be. So let's go ahead and get started. So as I started filming this, my son just walked in. So we're gonna say hi. Say hi. So let's first start with talking about bobby pins that you should be avoiding. You should be avoiding these, or even these. The ones that I like are these. So trust me when I say the drugstore bobby pins are horrible. Once you compare them to the Metagrip ones, you will notice such a difference. The ones from the drugstore are very light feeling, just very cheap, and the ones from Sally's, the Metagrip ones are very heavy feeling, and just the quality is so much better. So here's what they look like up close. You can see the ridges on the bottom. I mean, it just looks like a basic bobby pin, right? You can buy these at Sally's. You can also buy these on Amazon. If you get them on Amazon, just note that they are probably going to be double or triple the price of what you pay at Sally's. I think these are $5.99 at Sally's. You get 300, and on Amazon you could be paying anywhere from $12 all the way up to $17 for the exact same quantity. So you can get them in the standard size that I always get them in, or they do have a larger one that you can also purchase as well if you have long, thick hair. This is probably gonna work well for the majority of people. So when you use bobby pins, you should not be putting them up like this. You want the ridges of the bobby pin to be facing down. So it should look like this when it's inserted into your head. So the ridges facing down at the bottom are what's going to help secure the bobby pin to your head. If it's facing the other way, it's going to slip out and just become very loose throughout the day. So I'm going to show you a couple different hairstyles and how I insert my bobby pin. I do get questions a lot for girls who have really thin, fine hair. How do they make bobby pins stay? If your hair is very thin and fine, you should be adding in like a dry shampoo or a texture spray if you know you're going to be doing some type of like braid or updo hairstyle. That way your bobby pins will stick in. Another trick is you could use some hairspray, and this could work for girls with medium and long and thick hair too. So just set your bobby pins down, take some hairspray, and then just give them a nice little coat and let them dry for a minute, and then you can just stick them in your hair like normal. So let's first start off with just a regular braid. So I'm going to braid a little section real quick. Bring it around. Have my bobby pin facing down with the ridges down. So personally, I like to open my bobby pin up just a little bit. I know some people say to not do this, but personally, that's what I do. So I will open it up a little bit. I will go up and then push it into the braid. So it's going up into the braid. If I feel that that is not secure, then I will take another one facing with the ridges down and just go directly down on top of that one. And then just kind of pull my hair down over it. And this thing, it is not moving. It is nice and secure. It's gonna last all day. Now let's talk about buns. So I'm just gonna do a basic low bun and show you guys how I do bobby pins with a low bun. So I'm gonna grab a small section of hair with that bobby pin from the bun, and I'm just gonna hook onto it and then lift it up and then push it down. So the key is grabbing a small section of hair with the bobby pin, putting it through the bobby pin, and then kind of flipping your bobby pin and pushing it into that bun. Your hair is going to feel so secure. I always do this with my buns. I don't even need a hair tie, and it'll literally stay all day. I'll do a shake test to prove it, and we're good to go. So now for a half up hairstyle, I'm just going to take a small section, make sure it's not too large or your bobby pins will not stay. And I'm just going to take my bobby pin with the ridges down, and I'm going to insert it diagonally on each side. So I'm going to kind of do a crisscross with my bobby pins. Now I'm just taking a section, twisting it, and just inserting a bobby pin directly through that twist that I'm doing. That way you can't see the bobby pin. It's nice and hidden into our little twist. So it's basically the same way that we pinned our braid earlier. And that's it, easy peasy. So that's the tutorial. I hope you guys found it helpful. Baby's crying, so perfect timing for this video to end. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you learn something new? What other videos you would like to see? And I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.